Hello students, in this video we will again discuss chapter 4 what books and burials tell us of class 6 history from NCERT. In previous video we have discussed about the one of the oldest books in the world, and there are four main Vedas: Rig Veda, Sam Veda, Yajur Veda and Athar Veda, and the oldest Veda is the Rig Veda, and we have also discussed in previous video about Rig Veda. The Rig Veda is the oldest of all four Vedas. It has over 1,000 hymns in Vedic Sanskrit. These hymns are called suktas or well said are in praise of gods and goddesses, namely Agni, Indra and Soma. These hymns are composed by the sages or rishis, and these rishis taught students to recite and memorize the slokas of the Vedas with great care. Okay, and in this video we will discuss that how the Rig Veda depicted cattle, horses, chariots and battles. Okay, first I want to discuss that there are many prayers in Rig Veda for cattle, for children, especially for sons and horses, and much of the Rig Veda is full of prayers for the forces of nature. To acquire land, as this was important for pasture and for growing crops that ripen quickly, such as which type of crops? Barley. And what are the reasons for battles in the Rig Vedic age? The main reasons for water and to capture cattle and the people. Okay. Now, how battles were organized during the Rig Vedic age? Most men took part in wars during the Rig Vedic age. As there was no regular army, but there were assemblies where people met and discussed matters of war and related to peace. The assemblies also chose leaders who were brave and skilled warriors. And battles were fought for cattle, land, people for dasa or dasi and water. And most men took part in army, and there was no regular army. There were assemblies, as I told that there were assemblies where people met and discussed things related to war and development during peace. And the most brave and fearless person was elected as leader or Raja. Okay, now next one is that the words to describe people. Means according to Rig Veda, society was divided into groups as per works they did. Means the society was divided according to their work. The priests or the learned people were called Brahmins. Their main work was to teach and perform yajnas. And the Raja or the tribal leader used to be a person who was the strongest, bravest and fearless warrior. His work was to rule and fight wars as well as protect his areas also. And Dasa or Dasi were the people who were from the region who had lost war, and their work was to do all menial work and serve their master. What do you mean by menial work? Means to serve their master. Menial means as servant, as dasa, anything you can say. Rajas did not have capital, cities, palaces, powerful armies. There was no system of tax also. The word jana or wish was used for common people or community. The people who composed hymns called themselves Aryans. The performance of yajnas was allowed for people. Now the remaining parts of this chapter we will discuss in next video. Thank you.